Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, we are unboxing the Glow Addict beauty box as well as the skincare boxes for January 2020. The first subscription boxing of 2020. How exciting is this? My Glow Addict playlist will be linked to check out previous unboxings as well as the video on this look. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like if you enjoy. Let's get into it. I'm not sure which box is which because sometimes the skincare box comes in a pink and white box, but they both have this beautiful Tiffany's blue for the month of January. I'm just gonna pick one up and go with it. I'm also supposed to be receiving my replacement Medusa's blush from December because it was shattered when I opened it up. So hopefully they remembered. I have an email confirmation stating that it will be included in my January box. Here we go. We got some bubble wrap. Oh, I think this is it. And this is the rest of the box. Seems like every time I do an unboxing, I always forget to talk about the box, and I'm sorry. I just get so excited wanting to unbox everything. Glow Addict is $18 a month, and I think it's $3 for shipping, so it brings a total to $21. The skincare box is $24 a month, and with $3 shipping, it brings the total to $27. And for each box, you get 5 to 7 full-size items, and they're usually more indie brands or brands that are on the rise, so I've really been enjoying this box for that reason. I don't think the boxes get over the $100 mark. I know the skincare box has reached the $100 threshold or over, but the beauty box has come pretty darn close to about $70 to $90. So this is my replacement item from December. It's by Medusa's Makeup, the Sweet Cheeks Pinky Swear Blush. I really like the packaging, even though I'm having to tear it apart to try to get this open. The one that I received wasn't even salvageable. It was dust. But the Glow Addict customer service was really nice. I had DM'd them and then they gave me the email to contact. I sent them a picture, my order number, and they confirmed that a replacement would be in my January box, and here it is. I think I got a different shade than the one I received, but this one is still pretty, super creamy. That's what it looks like. That is a really nice peachy blush. I really have been enjoying peachy blushes recently, so this is a great shade. I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. I don't think cards come in the Glow Addict box. I can never tell you guys how much each product retails for, and I tend to forget when I'm editing. I'm sorry. I get distracted. Attention span of a squirrel. Editing takes me forever. And the rest of these products are the January products. See an eyeshadow palette called Emerald by Beauty Creations. I haven't heard of Beauty Creations before. Packaging reminds me of Gucci. Ooh, okay. That's a fun color story. It's definitely on the more grungier side. Let's do some swatches. And this is the top row swatch. I really like these last 3 shades as opposed to the first 2. And this is the middle row swatch. I really like this middle row a lot, especially the first 2 shades. And this is the bottom row swatched. I think overall this palette swatched really nice. I definitely think the shimmers swatch a lot better than the mattes. Some of the mattes did feel a little bit dry to the touch, but then again, these are just swatches on my bare arm and not applied with the brush onto my primed eyelid. I am definitely curious to see how this palette works out. I'm working on setting aside products I get in my subscription boxes moving forward for the entire month, keeping them all together and trying to keep them in a rotation just to get a better feel of how these products are working out for me and giving you guys a more formal update. Next, we received some Zola lashes. These are the style Mia. I also have some other styles. This is OMG and these are Flirt. I've had a really good experience with Zola lashes. They apply really nice. These look right up my alley with being dramatic but not too dramatic. And what I mean by dramatic is dramatic for me with someone that doesn't have much eyelashes to work with, but I definitely think that these are going to be a little bit more dramatic on me, touching my eyebrow because I do have smaller eyes. But I'm excited to have another style of Zola lashes. Like the band, it's a little bit more stiff than loose. And for me, I've noticed that they only need minimal trimming. Next, by JCat, we have the Matte Makeup Setting Spray. And this is 2 fluid ounces. I've only tried a few products by JCat. I'm gonna go ahead and spray, see how this works. Oh wow, there's a scent to it. It smells like perfume. Oh, it says wildflowers. So if you are sensitive to fragrances, definitely be careful with this because it's a very strong fragrance. I'm glad my eyes were closed, otherwise they would probably be burning right now. I really like the spray radius of this, but I do find that the droplets are very thick when dispensed. It's not as misty. I definitely feel that my face is pretty wet after doing a couple of pumps to it. The only thing I would change about this is get rid of that fragrance. I don't find it really necessary because it is strong. I thought it was just cute packaging. That's why it was called Wildflower. Didn't realize it was because it actually had a scent to it. Oh, it looks like we have a crap ton of glitter by Mermaid Calves? This is by Mermaid Calves and the shade Golden Pearl. I don't know if I'm going to use this or set it aside. It just looks like confetti. And then we have this sheet mask. It's called the Icing Sweet Bar Sheet Mask by the brand I don't know how to say that. I don't know. But this is really cute packaging, and it might have a watermelon scent to it, which I don't mind because Glow Recipe has amazing watermelon scent skincare like their moisturizer and my beloved sleep mask. I'm excited to try the sheet mask. And then the last product, we have a Lactic Duo. I have a Lactic Duo of different shades maybe. Yeah, these are different. This is the shade Sweet, and this is the shade Blossom. I like the Lactic formula. I find it very comfortable, but I don't find it very long wearing. I find that it does transfer a little bit more easier than other liquid lipsticks, but I really like both of these shades. I got more of like a mauve and more of a red compared to the other Lactic Duo that I have. This will definitely get some use out of it. I really like these duos to give you more of a variety instead of just one shade. Overall, for the makeup box, I found it pretty well balanced with a palette, lashes, setting spray, glitter, and a lipstick duo. I'm not really crazy about the glitter, and the setting spray is very strong. I'm really excited to have another Lactic Duo. I have tried the formula in the past and it's worked out nice for me. And I'm curious to see how the eyeshadow palette is going to work out. I'm a little concerned for some of the mattes of how they're going to blend out with respect to blendability, pigmentation, and payoff. But then again, I'm just basing it off swatches and not on my actual eyes. Now let's unbox the skincare box. And this is what the inside looks like. We have by Millennial Beauty the Bud Naked CBD Booty Scrub. I've actually received this product before. I received this in the box by Fashionista, so I'll actually set this one aside because I still haven't even tried the other one that I've received. So I want to be able to share it with one of you guys, as well as the Millennial Beauty Make My Ex Wanna Get It Back sheet mask. You actually add water to it and then it expands, and you leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. It's supposed to detoxify, tighten your pores, and then you rinse it off. So I got this in my Bijou beauty box, so I'm gonna set this one aside as well. And then we received the Iconic Beauty Glow Stick. I have received one of these before in a previous Glow Addict box. Again, I haven't used it yet, so I'm going to set this one aside. So far, we have 3 giveaway items for 2020. We have the Opage Beauty Oil Blend Rose Hip Oil. I'm really excited to try this. I have a rose hip oil from Try Beauty box that I like. I need it for the cooler weather. Doesn't really have much of a scent to it. It's a very thick oil. It definitely feels more greasy than moisturizing. Massage a few drops on the face, neck, or body to moisturize and improve fine lines, wrinkles, and the look of scars. Apply nightly before bed to keep skin firm, nourished, and to prevent wrinkles. Can you tell the difference between hand with oil and not oil? And then the last item we received by Sweet Chef. It's a Beet plus Vitamin A Fresh Pressed Sheet Mask. It's supposed to refine pores and smooth rough skin. I have been so bad with sheet masks and traditional masks recently. I've just been really loving sleep masks, but I think my face is calling for some more masks than just sleep masks these days because I've been having really bad breakouts. I think that's a sign I need to use more masks for 2020. This skin box was okay. It wasn't my favorite one. I've already received this in the beauty box, so it's a repeat item for me, but I don't know if Glow Addict does do variations. I don't know if you just get both boxes, you just get the repeat, but I've already seen these 2 products in different subscription boxes. I'm really excited to share those with you guys and actually implement the ones that I have into my routine. I really liked the oil on my hand. It definitely was a thicker oil. It definitely felt a little bit more greasy than hydrating. I guess I would have to see in the morning when I woke up after having the oil soak in overnight. And then I got another sheet mask to try out. For Glow Addict 2020, I didn't find it too bad. I think I'm more excited about the beauty box than the skincare box. There are items I haven't already received before and they're new brands for me. But I would love to know if you guys get Glow Addict. Did you guys enjoy it for January 2020? Were there other variations? And did you get the Glow Addict bag? I know they have a bag that you can get that's $13. I think you get less products and it's a different variation to the beauty box. I would love to know what your thoughts and how the products worked out for you. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, thank you for the view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.